This video is all about a brief comparison of communism and socialism. Communism and socialism are both political and economic systems that share some similarities, but have significant differences. Socialism is an economic system that advocates for the collective ownership and control of the means of production and distribution of goods and services. In a socialist society, resources are allocated based on the needs of the population, rather than the interests of individuals or corporations. Socialism can be implemented through various means, such as democratic control, nationalization of industries, or worker cooperatives. Communism, on the other hand, is a form of socialism that seeks to establish a classless society through the elimination of private property and the establishment of a planned economy. In a communist system, the government owns and controls all means of production and distribution of goods and services. Communism also seeks to abolish the state, as it is seen as a tool of oppression used by the ruling class. So, while socialism advocates for collective ownership and control of the means of production and distribution, communism takes it a step further by seeking to establish a classless society through the abolition of private property and a planned economy. Let's see some key differences between communism and socialism. Number 1, ownership of property. In socialism, the means of production, such as factories, farms, and mines, may be owned by the state, worker cooperatives, or by the public as a whole. In contrast, communism advocates for the complete abolition of private property, with all property and resources owned collectively by the community. Number 2, economic system. Socialism allows for a mix of public and private enterprise, with the government regulating the economy to ensure social welfare and promote equality. Communism, on the other hand, advocates for a planned economy where the government controls all aspects of production and distribution of goods and services. Number 3, role of the state. In socialism, the state may still exist and play a significant role in the economy, but its primary function is to serve the needs of the people. In communism, the state is seen as an instrument of oppression and is ultimately aimed at being abolished. Number 4, class structure. Socialism aims to create a more egalitarian society, but it still recognizes different social classes, including the working class and the bourgeoisie. Communism seeks to eliminate class distinctions entirely, creating a classless society. Number 5, revolution. While socialism can be achieved through peaceful means such as democratic elections, communism often requires a violent revolution to overthrow the existing system and establish a new one. In conclusion, it's worth noting that different interpretations of these ideologies exist, and their implementation in practice can vary greatly depending on the political and social context. If you appreciated the content in this video, we'd love it if you hit the like button and subscribe my channel.